this is something James the Flame taught me. We don't know what it is, but it's kind of fun. What we're going to do, we got some cilantro, peppers, and onions. Let's saute them. And meanwhile, I'll tell you what the plan is. Out here in the California desert, we have so many great bakeries. And so there's this bread right here. And we don't know what it's called, so we're just going to call it mystery bread. So, beautiful sesame, super soft, baked this morning. What makes it unique, and what we're going to do, is it's hollow, but with cream cheese and jalapeños in there. I don't know if you can see them. So what we're going to do, because I always include you guys, and never forget your hallelujah. Just a little bit. Get some sodium in there. I'm going to get these nice and soft. Red bell pepper, hallelujah, sweet onion, and then the secret ingredient, some leftover brisket. So what we're going to do is we're going to stuff this bread with chopped leftover brisket from practice yesterday. I want to get this kind of loosened up, and then I'll just start chopping away. Then I'm going to mix it all together. I'm just going to rest this on the cooker for a little bit once I stuff it, just to kind of melt the cream cheese. James the Flame Perez is my partner cooking. He's a legend out there. He's a wonderful guy and really a good cook, as you guys all know. And so this is a fun little riff we got going here. But I want to get these really good. I want to get them nice and soft. And I'm going to flip this over. Chop it pretty fine. A little more oil. Now let's mix them all together. All right, James is watching the camera for me. How am I doing, James?
It's looking good. Smells good.
Wonder how it tastes. Okay, look at this. Cream cheese, jalapeno, brisket, cilantro, peppers, onions. Really stuff it in there nicely. Let's just heat it up. No salsa, nothing. We're going to let the cream cheese that's inside the bread melt and kind of hopefully meld into the, oh, look at that. Okay, look at, here we go. Let's pull this one off. Hey, let's go eat this thing.